Law of attraction is the most popular universal law that suggests our thoughts have great influence on results. Our thoughts, both conscious and unconscious, has an influence on the things we aspire. According to this law, a universal force drives anything and everything that is happening on the surface of the earth. This universal energy can be channeled by our efforts like thought, words, and many other spiritual methods. When we really aspire for something and believe we could attain it, we will. But I should also mention, if you put your thought too much into something you don't want, also you might end getting it. Having that said, we should also be aware that the law of attraction is backed by scientists, especially from quantum physicists. 3 requisites. Ask, like I said before. Law of attraction is about channeling the universal energy to get what you aspire. The first step is knowing what you want and asking the same. Asking here is not the literal meaning here. We need to ask the universe. In this instance means visualizing or picturing what you aspire or need with as much specific details as possible, and also as though it's been done. For e.g., if I aspire for a specific problem in my work to be resolved, I visualize the current status of the problem and then an improvement and finally it being solved. Believe, here, we believe and visualize and act as though you are expecting the arrival of the solution or as though it's solved. This is a very important step and should not be mistaken. We are going to focus our thoughts and actions to our aspiration. For e.g., I am believing that the issue is resolving or resolved and I am doing things that way. Imagine what I will do after I receive and maybe celebrations, etc. Receive, this is a critical step. A lot of people might think, why receive? After all, no one will deny when they get something they wanted. But the fact here is, channeling the energy to get what we aspire for. It's more of your mind's work here. We convince ourselves much before the event occurs that it has occurred and behave so. So we should first channelize, visualize, believe, and then be ready to receive it when it occurs in reality. Myth or fact? We all are aware of some supernatural guidance and have experienced it at least once in our lifetime. In several ways, sometimes like a gentle thought wave or as a gut feeling or as instinct, we might be guided by something and when followed find out it's surprisingly right. Why do we discuss this here? Because they are interrelated. This universal force is what we are looking to channelize, and it is what law of attraction teaches. Law of attraction is completely real if you believe. Yes, it's as simple as that. So what is the deal here? You really want something? You are strong in attaining it? You will do anything for it? Then this is all that is needed. Law of attraction helps you attain what you really need. By simply channelizing the infinite and immense universal force and get it working for you, you attain what you aspire for. The universal force is infinite and huge, and with its limitless power we can attain whatever we aspire with belief. Thus all you need to do is ask what you want, believe you are going to get it or got it, and be ready to receive it. As simple as that, and you are going to lose nothing to try it after all. When you attain what you really wanted, you will realize law of attraction is no myth, but reality as long as you believe in it. So, these are the facts of the law of attraction. But, what is the core principles of the law of attraction? Why some people frustrated with the law of attraction whereas others enjoy with the power of the universal laws? The secret is lying here. The universal secret as a whole. Like a human body. And if you want to understand this whole, you cannot ignore any part of it. The law of attraction has a certain thinking principles. And these principles are hidden within the whole secret. For X, the successful people believe. But the important thing is not believing. It's how you do believe. There is a certain way of believing. We can say the same for asking and also receiving. These are the core factors of the secret and reveal when and why the law of attraction works.